main reason is because I'm kind of like a mother of the group. I'm just here making sure everyone's okay and everyone's doing well.
Oh my god, Navy, you alright?
Yeah.
What's wrong? I get this stupid script right.
Oh, don't worry, you'll get it right. I know you will.
You sure?
Yeah, just keep trying, that's fine.
Okay.
So what about the crew? Would you say that you get along?
Yeah, I think so. We have a unique way of getting along, I'd say.
Hi, what the hell are you two doing?
Yeah, the camera's not doing too much.
That's my problem. Both of you get the fuck away, away, away! Get away!
What's wrong now?
Two numbskulls. Bloody numbskulls. Touching my equipment and they haven't a clue what they're doing with it.
What'd you do?
Mate, you're the one that doesn't know your way around the camera. You literally have the thing zoomed in so much you couldn't fucking see anything. You could literally see the fucking insects inside your wrinkly ass ballsack.
What?
Yeah.
We ready to go? Yeah. So my name's Nave, and I'm the script editor on this production. I'd like to think of myself as the one who holds the whole ship together.
Do any of you want anything from the shop? No? Yeah, see this whenever I get back. Done?
All of us have a really unique connection with each other, and we all get along really well.
Sure, what are you all about? You do fuck all, anyway. Right, we ready? Ready to go? Yeah, that's good. Well, hello there. My name is Martin, but you can call me Marty. And I'm the manager here at this facility.
Could you tell us a bit about your position as manager?
Oh, yes. I have been the manager here for the past 3 years. And to tell you the truth, I think I'm probably the best person here in the place. These other guys haven't a clue. They can't touch me. You know, when I heard our company was being the subject of a documentary, I actually decided to do a wee bit of research, which I can pitch to you. Remain calm. It's not the artist. Big friend of mine. Big friend of mine. Just 2 seconds. Can you hold 2 seconds? 2 seconds. Hello? Auntie? Is that you? Uh-oh. He's a busy man. Good friend of mine. He'll ring back after.
Here's the script that you wanted.
What is this?
It's the script.
You call this a script? I honestly don't know how I got stuck working with these sort of people. Like, for example, one of them is literally someone who thinks they know everything. Then there's a fucking clown. And the other one doesn't do anything at all. I feel like I'm doing everything here myself.
What are you doing at the moment?
Never mind.
To be honest, I think Sean's a wee bit of a psycho.
You alright, Sean? Do you want a hand?
No.
You sure?
Yes,
Maybe
I
help
don't.
if you want.
I don't need any help.
You look like you do.
I fucking don't.
Okay, I feel like I need to help you.
No. Stand back.
What?
Third.
Should not be a bit higher.
You get sorted anyway. You wouldn't mind putting up the camera now, would you?
And that's not really done. It was so much fun. Can't wait to do it all again tomorrow.